One other method I wanted to show you on how to paint is by using what's called the Magic Wand tool. What the Magic Wand tool does is it selects an area that all has the same color or is enclosed in the same area. You have to be really careful when you use this though, and I am going to be watching you on this. When you make your selection, I'm going to click in this area. Notice how it's selected with that dotted line. That area is now selected. In order to paint in there, you have to go back to the color layer. I don't want any color on the ink layer. You need to leave that alone. I'm going to hold the Alt key down and tap the backspace key, and it's going to fill that area with that color. The problem is, notice how there's a white line around here. Here's how you fix that. Go to the Select menu, Modify, Expand, and make this 2 pixels. And that's the bell to let everyone in. So now when I modify this, let me turn this layer off so that you can see. I'm going to hit Control Backspace again. Alt Backspace again. And then click on this ink layer, and now there's no line around here. Control Backspace fills with white because that's what's currently selected. If I change this to a different color, Control Backspace will fill with red. Since I want it green, I'm going to hit the Alt and Backspace, and it'll fill it with green. Control 0 gives me full screen again, and Control D deselects that area, so now I can select another area with the Magic Wand. Again, the critical thing here is that you do the selection on this layer with the Magic Wand, but you color on this layer. That's a very critical aspect of using the Magic Wand tool.